Hey Nene Squad, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey to my So we about to come out with 2018 with a bang. So I am going to do a story time on the time that I snuck out with my friends. Yeah, with my friends to go smoke with some guys. So y'all shouldn't even be surprised. Like, I was a bad little gal. So basically I went over to my friend's house and we went to Brunswick or whatever, and we was trying to get some guys to smoke us out because at the time we was some broke heifers. And yeah, no, we wasn't broke. We had money. We did have money. It was that we just didn't want to spend money on some weed. Like, no. Like, so we posted on us, everybody posted on their Facebook like who can smoke us out, whatever, because back in the day, I ain't even gonna lie, I was one of them girls that, oh, I'm beautiful, I'm finna use my looks against the guys, because in Minnesota these guys are so weak. Like, if they see a female, they would give them their whole life, literally. So I was taking advantage. So my friend, her sister, and me, we were looking all to get somebody to smoke with us. So my friend's sister and I was at McDonald's weeks ago before this event, and he was like getting her number and stuff. So she was like, I have him, he got a lot of weed, blah blah blah, he dressed nice. And I'm like, yeah, you should get him or whatever. And we're all like, yeah, let's do it. So he was so thirsty to meet her. So while we was waiting for them to get to the house, and we were actually waiting for her mom to go to sleep, so while we're waiting, we were on Facebook Live cursing people out, acting ratchet, just doing the most. And after her mom went to sleep, that's when my friend's little sister, she has a little sister, she had to make sure her mom didn't wake up, and if she did, she was supposed to like tell us, because we're gonna be right in front of her room or whatever. So we snuck out through the window, okay? And they were there. We got in the car. He had a friend that had another car, and he just came in the guy's car, and we all sat in the car. He was like, I don't have the weed. And we was like, what? Then they're like, we're gonna go get it. Go get the weed. So we're like, okay. So my friend wanted to drive there, and so he was like, yeah, whatever. He out of all the guys, he was the most respectful. Like, he was calm with us, even though we was crazy. He dealt with us. So then, after that, we go over there, and there's a bunch of guys, right? So we was like, like, what if they do something to us? What if they lace our stuff or whatever? So my friend was like, what if they try to do something to us? All them guys, we can't fight them off. My friend said, I'm finna put this car in reverse, and we finna go. So, let me get me a drink of water. So they get in the car, and they're like, okay, we finna roll up and smoke. So we smoke or whatever, and then the guy that's the owner of the car, we're gonna call him Sean. So the guy that was the owner of the car, he said we had to go down the street to go get some stuff from my friend. So we was like, okay. So my friend drove there, and then it's a truck full of guys, literally. So we was like, what if they do something to us? Like, they was looking all through the car and everything. So we locked the car doors. So after that, they come back in, and we do another session of smoking. So we went to an apartment, but he was like, later after we're done smoking, we have to go meet up with the guys or whatever to go do some other stuff. So we went to go drive to an apartment complex, smoke some weed for a little bit, and then my friend drove to the guys or whatever. So we did that. So after smoking or whatever, we went to the guys, and it was a bunch of guys, just truck full of guys, quarts deep, full of guys, just full, no girl whatsoever, just full of guys. So then one of the guy friend that was already in the car, he was like, he was going to give this other guy a ride, so he, you know, squeezed through, so we was all squished through. It was like 4 people in a car in the back, and then the guy, the owner, is in the front in the passenger seat, and my friend is driving. So the guy started touching my friend, the drunk guy, because he was already drunk. Let me tell y'all that. He was already drunk, and he was touching my friend, and she was like, what is this? And then he was like, girl, you know you used to this. She said, I'm a whole mother freaking virgin if you don't get your hands off me. And he was like, girl, you know you want to give it up, blah, blah, blah. You know you used to it. Y'all some blah, blah, blah thoughts or whatever. And we was like, no, we full virgins. You don't even know. So, like, but we serious. We are. We're full virgins. And so he was like laughing at us or whatever. So then the friend tried to chat with me, and he gonna put his arm or his hand all on my, let me show y'all, excuse my belly, but on my hip. I said no. I said, what is this? And he was like, you stuck up or whatever. And I was like, I am not stuck up. I don't even know you. And then my friend was like, and then he was talking about getting out the car. Like, he's like, I'm going to just kick you out the car. I'm going to just kick you out the car. I said, and they're getting out of what? Who? Who getting out of what? What car? Not me. You can't put me out no car. I said, you not putting me out no car. I asked my friend, I said, is he putting us out the car? She said, no. I said, right. You ain't putting us out no car. You finna drive us home. And then my friend was like, and then just be chill because he got all that money. Like, he has stacks. But she was like, he got all that money. You gotta, you know, take that money, you know, make him spend some outfits on you or whatever. And then don't be stuck up, okay? Just do it. So I was like, yeah, okay. I wasn't really listening to her because first of all, I was not gonna see him after tonight. Sorry, boo, ain't happening. So after that, so after that he was talking. He was like, what's your number? I gave him a fake number at first. He called it and he was like, this ain't real. I was like, oops, sorry, I messed up. And then I gave him my real number. He called and I answered, and he was like, oh, okay. And then I was like, so then after he was like, what's your Facebook or whatever? So I gave him my Facebook. He added me. I accepted him just to be nice because sis, y'all already know. If you already know me, you already know what I did when I got home. But we finna get to that later. So then, after that, he was trying to touch me still. I was like, no, I don't know you. I just met you today. No, it ain't happening. And then the drunk guy is like, y'all know y'all hoes or whatever. Y'all know y'all blah, blah, blah. Like, boy, no, shut up. My friend and I was going off. So the whole time was driving to the they're driving back to the house where we were at. We was acting crazy. Me and my friend, we was dancing. We was like, where's the music? And we was like high, just acting crazy. You know them tweakers, like them people that just get high and they just don't know how to manage. No. I was just one of those at that time, and then I started calming down later. But yeah, so we was just acting crazy. And then so we get to the house, the guys, they get out or whatever, and then we was like, we're hungry. So while we're driving to McDonald's, my friend that was already high that's driving, she's acting crazy, just crazy. And we was like, oh no, because the police officer was in the back of us, so she was driving all crazy and acting crazy and acting nuts. And so it was like, stop acting stupid, we finna get in trouble, we don't even supposed to be out, blah blah blah. So then after, like I told her, I was like, stop acting crazy. And then we was like, you need to stop driving, you need to stop driving. The guy was like, pull over, because he didn't want to get pulled over or whatever, because he wasn't even high with us. He didn't smoke any of that weed. So that's when I knew they probably laced us, because we were so high our element to the point where I couldn't even walk. Like, I felt like they did something because I was feeling sick the next day. And none of them really smoked. So we was the only ones that smoked. So you see how dumb we are? Don't be like us. But then after we went to McDonald's, I got like a small caramel frappe with a small fry and a McPick 3. On the McPick 3 menu, I got like chicken nuggets. No, It was sausage egg McMuffin, something like that, something that was cheap. And all my friends, they got cookies, they got milkshakes, they got caramel frappes, they got burgers. They was like, Anaya, you being cheap. They spending money on us. You might as well go all out. You know, we hungry, blah blah blah. But I was like, no. But then I started eating my friend's food because I was still hungry. Like, I was still hungry. So then after he drops us home, we're like, thank you. My friend was like, I'm finna block him because he thirsty and I don't want to be, you know, talking to him. I was like, girl, he was chill out of all of them. He was cool. So then the guy that got my number and my Facebook, he was calling my phone. So I blocked him. Then he was calling my Facebook Messenger, blocked him. What did you think this was? So first of all, let me tell y'all, because I know y'all probably like, you a little... No. First of all, I was 16. He was 26. Had a baby. Okay? That's enough from me. Okay? So yeah. That's the story of the time we snuck out, and we would have probably got hurt or something if those guys were, their intentions was good. But I knew the guy that is the owner of the car, he would never let anything happen to us because he was so protective the whole time, making sure we're okay and everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, if you want more story times 2018, make sure you comment down below more story times. Let's get it, let's go. And yeah, and if you're not subscribed already, sis, you already watched the whole video. Go ahead and go all down below, right here or right here, wherever you want to, wherever it's at, okay? And smash on that like button. And if you're not notified, sis, go ahead and notify yourself because you're gonna love me. But love you all, and thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me. And yeah, see y'all next time.
Dreams and dedication are a powerful combination. Quoted by William Longgood.
Yeah. Back out.